Page 56, Bongo Drummers. At the top of the page, they're covering the 3 G's on the grand staff. You've already had 2 of them. You've had the G and this G. And then they're telling you about the G, the bottom line on a bass clef is down here. That's a G. 3 G's on a grand staff. That's it. That's the end of the lesson, boys and girls. Here we go. Bye. Bongo Drummers, 4/4 time. Quarter notes, half notes, whole notes. I'll be able to do that, I hope. But let's take a look. It gets a little tricky. At the beginning, it says you have 2 G's staccato, and it says 3 on, and then you fill in the G. You're supposed to tell them the note name. I've already done that for you. The 3rd finger, and you can use wrist or finger or a combination. You practice here. I've tried finger for a while. I haven't done that. And then the right hand does this G here. 3rd finger on that one. So you're starting out here, and then go over to the last 2 measures of the first line. Now you want 3rd finger and the left hand on C. You've gone up to the 3rd fingers on C's. We're going to do C's for a while. Don't know why, but they are. Okay. The last line, 3rd measure. Now you come up to a G here. Use the 3rd finger here. And then the last 2 measures. You're here, and then the right hand has to come back down to C position for the chord. Like so. That's the piece. Not a lot going on here. It says loud, forte at the beginning. You decide what that is. You don't really have to be forte all over. You can experiment with different. I suggest you play it once soft, and play it once in the middle somewhere, and then play it once loud, so you get the practice of it. Now you have to plan your hand moves. Eventually it'll become automatic to you. Take my word for it, it'll work. Right now you have to probably think about them. So at this first line, when you're starting here, and you get over to the last 2 measures, as you're playing that whole note, somewhere in there you got to move the left hand up. It's up to you when. I usually do it a beat or 2 before I need it, and then it's there. And then as I'm playing these quarter notes in the left hand and that next to the last measure of the first line, then I move the right hand up at that time. Like so. Then in the second line, as the right hand is playing that whole note C, then sometime in that C, I'm going to move the left hand up to the G. And then as the left hand is playing these G's, I move the right hand up. So it's ready. So you move the hand up just a little bit before you need it. It's up to you when. And then at the end, next to the last measure, the left hand's playing these. Usually it's the last one. G plays right after it, then I move the hand down. But you can move it down any time in that measure. It doesn't matter. Well, let's play it together just to make sure we've got these rhythms right. And you can play it without hesitating, because that's really important. I know a lot of beginners will hesitate. And sometimes when I'm learning a piece, I have to stop and think and hesitate and go on. And you have to work that out, because you can't keep doing that. So go ahead and put your hands, your 3rd fingers on these G's to start. And I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, off. Now there is a duet at the bottom here, so let's go ahead and do the duet also. You go ahead and play your part exactly where, like you did, right where, don't move anywhere, it's just do it there. And I'll do the duet at the bottom. Going to speed this up because it is supposed to be fast and rhythmic. Not sure about rhythmic, everything is rhythmic, but fast. How fast? I don't know. Faster than what we did, because we didn't do it fast. So I'll give us 4 counts, and we're going to go about 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's actually kind of slow for fast, but we'll take it there. So go ahead and put your hands where they go, and here we go. A lot of goes in that, isn't it? 1, 2, ready, go.